everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I am going to show you how to redeem your Best Buy rewards points online. Whether you have racked up points from purchases or special promotions, redeeming them is easy and can save you money on your next order. Now start by logging into your Best Buy account on their website. Make sure you are using the account associated with your rewards membership. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one and link it to your rewards number. Next, once logged in, browse the site and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Your available rewards points will be displayed in the cart summary. Proceed to checkout and you will see an option to apply your rewards points. You can choose to apply all your points or just a portion of them, depending on how much you want to save on your current order. After applying your points, review your total to see how much you have saved. Once you are ready, complete your purchase. Your rewards points will be deducted from your account, and you will receive a confirmation email with your order details. And that is how you redeem Best Buy rewards points online. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.